Okay, so we're in Taipa village area, and there's a lot of construction. So it'd be interesting to see what they do with this. So let's kind of walk around and check out and see how far it goes and what they. Maybe we can compare it later to see what happens to it. Looks like they're putting some pipeline. Okay, let's take a look at the details. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So it looks like they're going to put some lines in here, so it looks like they're going to just maybe tear that part apart. And we got these little things here. Oh, we got a lot more down this way too. Yeah, it looks like they're just going to put some lines through. I was just talking to, it's kind of interesting. I was just talking to, I just got my hair cut. So he was telling me that sometimes they'll just put the same sidewalks back. So we'll see what happens. I'm kind of hoping that they might do something kind of cool, like this black and white tile that we see here. They might put that there, but I don't know. Just kind of walk down and check it all out. Yeah, they're really turning up all the street here. On the side, it looks like it was maybe more like pipes, but they could be doing a lot more to it. Water. And we also have a lot more down here too. Go down these alleys, but we also have stuff all the way down here. I think it's like, actually it looks like there's another crane way down there as well. Kind of want to they're putting the same stuff back. Kind of want to go to the other side too and just check that out. So I'm just going to walk down a little bit, kind of check all this stuff out. And we're going to come around this way. So we're kind of in this alley, so I just want to, this is called Taipa Village. Taipa de Flores. I think we can come out this way and we'll come back out to the construction part again. Yeah, that goes all the way down. Yeah, actually there's a lot of the city that's going to be, a lot of changes are going to, so yeah, that goes all the way down, maybe all the way down to the end. Kind of want to see that other part too. So yeah, it looks like they're going to put in all this piping, I guess. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're just going to walk. There's a lot of equipment here. There's like a, they're going to tear up all the streets. I'm hoping they put in something really interesting. I have a feeling they might just pave it right back again, like the same color, but part of me is kind of hoping that they'll do something really different. I think I won't be able to get into here. Just see here. It's all blocked off, but think what I'm going to do is I want to get to the other side and just take a look over there, see if it looks a little bit different. Yeah, so they're taking these tiles out, and then I guess they're already putting cement back here and laying down the bricks. Looks like they're basically putting the same thing back. So they're just taking that out and then putting it back in again. So I guess it's I guess they're just putting something underneath. Yeah, these designs look pretty nice if they're like new and clean, but I think they're just going to put the same thing back. Stuff here. Okay. So we got a crane all the way down too, so I guess they're doing all the piping. So we go all the way down, and there's another crane all the way down at the end as well. So yeah, I guess Taipa Village is a little bit under construction now. Okay. We're gonna see if there's more construction over here too. I think there was some on this main street. This is all Taipa Village, by the way. And if you go over to that direction, that's all Taipa Central. So they're adjacent to each other. Yeah, it looks like that might be the bulk of the construction right there. So maybe we'll just go down a little bit and we'll just kind of conclude. So yeah, we're in this Taipa Village area, and it's basically all that stuff on the other side that are really construction. And this side is I did see some way down here too. Maybe we'll get a little bit closer and just kind of see. Okay, so I guess we'll end it there. We'll just go a little bit further and then we'll end this one. Yeah, Taipa Village. That's kind of cool imagery right there. And if we go right into here, we keep on going all the way down. Okay, and I do see some construction way down there as well. This Fusion Kitchen is new. Huh. Lola Fusion Kitchen Pizza. Might be tempted to go in here and check it all out. Yeah, there's some construction way down there by McDonald's, but let's just kind of tap into the Taipa Village a little bit. So yeah, this is basically the kind of stuff you'd see. So we can just keep navigating this, and but we're gonna end it right there. So the main focus was just the construction. So let's say goodbye for now. Oh, Hawaiian poke bowl. Oh, that's new. Huh. Salads, burgers, tacos, wings. That's interesting as well. Vesta de Gloria. Huh. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha. Chiquinha.